We're making crispy, air-fried mashed potato balls. Get ready for a tasty treat. Let's gather our ingredients. We need mashed potatoes, the star of the show. Cheddar cheese adds cheesy goodness. Fresh parsley adds a fresh flavor. We'll use salt and pepper for taste. An egg acts as a binder. Lastly, we need breadcrumbs for a crispy coating. These simple ingredients will be transformed into crispy golden potato balls. Are you excited? Let's start cooking. In a large bowl, combine the mashed potatoes, cheddar cheese, and chopped parsley. This is where the magic begins. Sprinkle in salt and pepper to your liking. Remember, we can always add more later. Crack the egg into the bowl. The egg will help bind all the ingredients together. Now gently mix everything until well combined. Don't overmix. We want the mixture to come together nicely without becoming sticky. The consistency of the mixture is super important for perfect potato balls. Achieving the right texture is key to ensuring that your potato balls hold together during cooking and have that delightful creamy interior. It should be firm enough to hold its shape but still moist. This balance is crucial because if the mixture is too dry, the potato balls will crumble apart. On the other hand, if it's too wet, they won't hold their shape and will be difficult to handle. If the mixture feels too dry, add a tablespoon of milk at a time until it comes together. Milk adds a creamy texture and helps bind the ingredients without making the mixture too runny. Stir gently after each addition to ensure the milk is fully incorporated. If it's too wet, add a tablespoon of breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs absorb excess moisture and add a bit of structure to the mixture. This step is essential to achieve the perfect consistency, so don't rush it. Add the breadcrumbs gradually and mix thoroughly. We're aiming for that perfect balance. The mixture should be smooth and cohesive with just the right amount of firmness and moisture. This will ensure that your potato balls are easy to shape and will hold up well during cooking. Once the consistency feels just right, it's time to move on to the fun part, shaping our potato balls. This is where you can get creative. Use your hands to roll the mixture into even-sized balls, making sure they are compact and smooth. This step is not only fun, but also crucial for achieving uniform cooking. Enjoy the process and look forward to the delicious results. Scoop out a portion of the potato mixture using a spoon or an ice cream scoop. Roll it between your palms to form a smooth ball. Make sure each ball is about the size of a golf ball. This ensures they cook evenly in the air fryer. Place the shaped potato balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Repeat until you've used up all the mixture. Section 5. Breading for crunch, the golden coating. Pour the breadcrumbs into a shallow dish. Gently roll each potato ball in the breadcrumbs until it's fully coated. Press the breadcrumbs lightly to help them adhere to the potato balls. This breadcrumb coating will create a delicious crunch when air-fried. Arrange the breaded potato balls back on the baking sheet. Now they are ready for their air fryer adventure. Section 6. Air fryer action: crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. In this section, we will guide you through the steps to achieve the perfect balance of a crispy exterior and a fluffy interior using your air fryer. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these tips will help you elevate your cooking game. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial because it ensures that the air fryer is at the optimal temperature before you start cooking. Preheating helps in achieving that perfect crispiness on the outside while keeping the inside tender and fluffy. This is important for achieving that crispy exterior. The high temperature allows the outer layer of the food to cook quickly, forming a delicious crunchy crust. Meanwhile, the inside remains soft and moist, creating a delightful contrast in textures. Carefully, place the potato balls in the air fryer basket, making sure they are not overcrowded. Overcrowding can lead to uneven cooking, as the hot air needs to circulate freely around each piece of food. By giving each potato ball enough space, you ensure that they cook evenly and become perfectly crispy. We want them to cook evenly. Even spacing is key to achieving uniform results. If the food is too close together, it can steam instead of fry, resulting in a soggy texture. Proper spacing allows the hot air to reach all sides of the food, ensuring a consistent and delicious outcome. Air fry for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they are golden brown and heated through. The exact cooking time can vary depending on the size and type of food you're cooking, so it's important to keep an eye on them. The goal is to achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy texture. Keep an eye on them, as air fryer times can vary. Different air fryers may have slight variations in cooking times and temperatures, so it's always a good idea to check the food periodically. This way you can ensure that your food is cooked to perfection, with a crispy outside and a fluffy inside. Section 7. Shake it up, the secret to even cooking. Here's a pro tip for perfectly cooked potato balls. Shake the air fryer basket halfway through the cooking time. This simple step ensures that the potato balls cook evenly on all sides. They will turn a beautiful golden brown and have a satisfying crunch. Now back to the air fryer. They go for the final few minutes of cooking. Section 8. Serving up a treat. Enjoy your crispy potato balls. Once the potato balls are golden brown and crispy, carefully remove them from the air fryer. Let them cool for a minute or two before serving. They will be hot. Serve them as a delicious snack or appetizer. They are great on their own, but even better with your favorite dipping sauce. Section 9. Flavor fun, explore and experiment. Welcome to a world where your kitchen becomes a playground of flavors and creativity. Get creative with your potato balls. This is your chance to let your imagination run wild. Think of your potato mixture as a blank canvas, ready to be transformed into a masterpiece. Add different herbs and spices to the mixture. Try chopped chives, bacon bits, or even a pinch of cayenne pepper for a spicy kick. The possibilities are endless, and each addition brings a new dimension of flavor. Imagine the warmth of cayenne pepper dancing on your taste buds, or the savory crunch of bacon bits adding a delightful texture. These small touches can elevate your dish from ordinary to extraordinary. You can also experiment with different cheeses. From sharp cheddar to creamy mozzarella, each type of cheese offers a unique taste and texture. Mix and match to find your perfect combination. Have fun with it and make this recipe your own. Cooking is not just about following a recipe, it's about expressing yourself and sharing joy with others. Involve your family and friends and turn cooking into a fun, collaborative experience. Enjoy the crispy, cheesy goodness of your homemade air fryer mashed potato balls. The golden brown exterior gives way to a soft, flavorful interior, making each bite a delightful experience. Don't forget to share your creations and tag us on social media. We love seeing your culinary adventures and the unique twists you bring to our recipes. Your creativity inspires us and the entire cooking community. So snap those photos, share your delicious masterpieces, and let's celebrate the joy of cooking together.